Welcome to the Capture 2020 tutorial series. In this episode, we're going to talk about reflection planes. Reflection planes are a way of turning smooth surfaces reflective. In Capture, we have smooth surfaces that allow us to see some reflections of lighting fixtures in objects, but we do not have the ability to produce mirrors or similar effects unless we help Capture with a reflection plane. To add a reflection plane, go to the Built-in category of the Library tab. Scroll down to the bottom, pick up the reflection plane, and drag and drop it into the design. Now you can already see some reflections of the rearmost scenery appearing in the floor. So if I move the reflection plane to the left half of the stage, you can see the contrast in the left and right half of the stage floor. Reflection planes need to be tightly aligned with the flat surfaces that you want to create a reflective effect of, and it is important that the material used on the object itself has a high smoothness. If you dial down the smoothness to 0, the reflective effect disappears, and if you dial it up to max, it is at its strongest. The reflection plane and the reflective effect also picks up on the metallic property of the material, which allows you to simulate the difference between, for instance, a smooth plastic or a piece of glass, as in the case of the mirror. The color of the material also affects the reflection, as you can see when I turn the plane red. Thanks for watching. See you soon again.